Explain different types of power electronic circuits. Mobile phones are one of the most important communication devices of the modern world. Our life is incomplete without these devices. But when we use it continuously, it gets discharged. Then we need a charger to charge our mobile phone. The charger we use for charging are made up of rectifiers. And these rectifiers are one of the power electronics devices. Similarly, we have different types of power electronics devices. Power electronics circuit comprises of many devices like rectifiers, inverters, choppers, cycloconverters, static switches. Mainly these circuit devices deal with equipments working on the principle of electronics, but rated at power level rather than signal level. Now let us discuss in detail about different types of power electronics circuits. Rectifiers. Now rectifier converts AC input voltage into fixed DC voltage. These input may be single phase or three phase. Rectifiers are widely used in battery charging. Electroplating process. UPS, that is uninterrupted power supply. Now another power electronic circuit is inverters. Inverter converts fixed DC voltage to variable AC voltage. The output may be variable voltage or frequency. Now we have chopper. It converts fixed DC input voltage into a controlled DC output voltage. They have wide applications in trolley trucks. Another is cycloconverters. These circuit converts input power at one frequency to output power at a different frequency. Mainly works for AC to AC conversion. These are primarily used for slow-speed, large AC drives like rotary kiln, etc. Related term is